gorgeous one. I thought I would quickly show you how to use your high frequency. For those of you who've bought it directly from me from the beauty room. For the rest of you, I am now stocking these high frequency devices. I've just got a few for now, and I will just continue. They retail at $65, so a lot cheaper than what I'm seeing people selling them for. I just really wanted to make it accessible for everybody. What is it used for? It's used for moments like these when we get breakouts, but I'm going to show you how to use it all over, and then we're going to treat that specific area. So I've moisturized with my Luminous Day Cream. I've put my electrode on. My hands are clean. The electrode is clean. I pop it on, and it takes a little bit of time for the light to come through. It's pure oxygen. So center yourself and take beautiful breaths. Because remember, if we want to improve our skin, we want to lower our cortisol. Make contact. And first of all, I am going to massage it all over. Not where my breakout is, just all over my skin, just to help balance the pH and make sure no bacteria is spreading everywhere. And then I am going to zap over the top of that breakout. Now it does get prickly, feels prickly. Every time you want to lift it off, you're going to put contact again to lift off, otherwise it will spark you. Now I'm going to show you how I do. Just, not very nice, is it? Let's bring you closer. Oh, I'm going to lean forward. So I'm going to apply over that breakout. Just hold it there. And then, it's a bit prickly, I'm going to spark. Now this is not that high, it shouldn't be painful. You're better off to do it more frequently. It's never going to damage your skin. It's all good for you. Now you can, the kit, like I say, $65. The kit comes with one for the hair, to stimulate hair growth. I'll show all of that, but for today, where I've conveniently got a breakout, now they're not listed yet on the website, but as I say, they'll retail at $65, really reasonable. Got all the different heads, and it's also got one for indirect, which is for anti-aging, cell regenerating, so it's incredible. But for now, I'm showing you over your breakouts, blah, 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 blah. Done. All right, done. Turn it off. I always just hold a tissue over my electrode. Be careful, it is glass, and you're just going to lightly, just, can you see I'm just twisting, pop it off. Okay, so to put it in, again, it's glass, don't be pressing it too hard, and you're just going to press it in. You can see it can't go in anymore. Just pull it out, and then you're going to sterilize this area. All right, easy enough, easy enough. All right, my lovelies.